missing on.
Hey y'all, it's Carlyn and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a wash and go with you all, but before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you haven't and hit the bell for notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. So as you know, when I do my wash and goes, I always wash my hair, deep condition it, and all that stuff. So I'll go ahead and run through right quick all the products that I use. So I did dye my hair today jet black, so if you see like any dark spots on my ears or anything like that, that's where it's from. To deep condition my hair, I used, what did I use? The Shea Moisture, the Manuka honey one, and it made my hair like really soft, so you know my hair doesn't feel dry or anything from dyeing it. And then I just used the Kinky Curly. Well, first I used some TGIN, I'm looking at it right now, the green tea super moist leave-in conditioner. I just used that, and I just, you know, put a whole lot in my hand and just ran through my hands or my hair with that leave-in conditioner. And then I also used the Kinky Curly and Not Today leave-in conditioner, and this is what I used for detangling. So I just used that one just for like an extra amount of moisture, and then I used this one too for even more moisture, since I did, you know, dye my hair and I wanted it to be like extra moisturized and I didn't want it to be dry or anything like that. So yeah, that's what I used to detangle. And then I usually always use this because this is like my favorite leave-in conditioner for detangling. Everybody knows about this product right here. So today I'm going to be using two of the Doux products. I've never used these products before. I have used their one of their foams before, or one of their mousses before, but I hadn't used this crazy sexy curl one. So it says this is an all-in-one setting foam, detangle, condition, define, hold, and shine. So I'm going to be using these two together. You know, like when I do my favorite wash and go combo with the Extreme Wet Line Gel and the Lotta Body Mousse, I'm going to use these two just like that. So first I'm going to go in with the mousse, and then after I'm going to put the gel right on top. Also, let me go ahead and tell y'all right quick, I did get a new camera. So until I learn how to do everything, I don't know how this is gonna look right now, but I hope it looks okay. So like some stuff might change, settings might change, lightings might change, like for my next few videos, until I kind of learn how, you know, how I want everything to be and how I want everything to look. So bear with me for a little while until I start learning, you know, what to do and how I want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my hair. I know it looks real crazy right now, but y'all know I always do these Bantu knots, and it's been like maybe about an hour or two that these have just been sitting in my hair. So hopefully my hair has not dried too much, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started putting the products in my hair now. My hair is a little bit dry, and of course I want it a little more wet, so always keep your water bottle near, filled up with water in case you need it. It's crazy that this product is called Be Girl. Let me know if y'all have used this before, and let me know like what you think. But it's crazy that it's called Be Girl because it kind of looks, I mean, I know it's supposed to, but it does look and have like kind of like the consistency of honey. If you like look at that, like, can you see that? So it's like I'm using honey in my hair, but it's crazy. So this is the mousse right here, and it's super runny, which is good for me. And it kind of feels like it feels like the Lotta Body to me for some reason. I guess like how thin it is. And okay, now I got some of the, what is this called? Is this considered a gel, or it's the honey super or supercharged honey curl custard? So yeah. All right, so there's the hair, you know, straight without doing anything. And I'm gonna separate these pieces a little bit, make sure it's good and evenly distributed like I always do. Okay, first section complete. So what do y'all think so far? Something that's crazy too is I haven't worn a wash and go since it's fall now, and I haven't worn a wash and go since the summertime. I can't remember when it was. It's what's this month? October. And I haven't worn a wash and go. It was either June or July, and it was only one time. Like, I went somewhere and didn't know what else to do with my hair, so I just, you know, did a little wash and go, and then that was it. And I haven't had one in since. So I'm kind of I am really excited to see how this is gonna turn out. Before that, the styles I was wearing was like you know, ponytails. I had some braids. I straightened my hair from like December to, when did I stop straightening it? Like maybe March or April, I want to say. And then I also was like doing like a little like blowout styles with my hair too, doing like braided ponytails and stuff like that. So yeah, it's been a long time since I've done a wash and go, so I'm excited, like I said, to see what it's gonna look like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this for the rest of my hair, and we'll just see what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done now. So I got some of this Shea Moisture bonding oil that I've just been putting on it after I'm done with each section, and I forgot to do it to the last two at least. And I do want to do my edges because I just always like doing my edges, like I just can't not do them. But y'all, as you can see, the curls are looking so good, juicy, defined, all that good stuff, nice and dark because of that fresh dye, just how I like it. Okay, so let me find my edge control. I don't know where it is. Oh, I see it. Okay, so I got my 24-hour edge tamer, and I want to find another one, like one that has less harmful chemicals. Has anybody like seen that thing on YouTube? I mean, not YouTube, on Instagram, where there's this person going around showing like all the edge controls and saying how all of them have like harmful chemicals. Yeah, so I don't want everything that I own, hair products, clothes, like I don't care what it is, I don't want every single thing to have like harmful chemicals. If I could get rid of the majority of harmful chemicals in my hair products, then maybe I could deal with some of my clothes having them. I know that don't sound good, but like just not every single thing, because that's just like too unhealthy. That's like unhealthy overload, right? So I do my edges like I always do them, and let me go ahead and do that right quick. I'll be right back. Okay, something simple, nothing crazy. Plus I just couldn't get it to work how I want it to, but this will work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my satin scarf. I think y'all know the drill. I'm gonna let it dry under my hood dryer for a little while and then I'll come back to y'all tomorrow so we can get the final results. Okay, so now I'm back and I want to show y'all what my hair looks like straight out of the bonnet. And I don't like pineapple my hair or anything. I just put the bonnet straight on with my hair like this. So of course my hair is out, it's down, and I just throw on the bonnet. So this is what it looks like very, very shrunk up. Like, I definitely always stretch my hair. So let me go ahead and take this scarf off too, so y'all can get like the full picture of what it looks like. So this, like I said, this is my hair right out of the bonnet. So there's a little crunch to it, which, you know, I'm not mad at it. Like, I don't mind crunch. Plus, when I stretch it out with my blow dryer and everything, put a little oil on it, that crunch goes away right away. So like I said, I don't mind crunch anyway. Like, I actually kind of prefer a little bit of a crunch, because that just makes me feel like, even if it's in my head, just makes me feel like the curls are gonna last a little bit longer. I don't know if that's the case, but that's just what I feel like in my head. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and stretch this out right quick, and then I'll come back and show y'all, and we'll get the final verdict on everything. Okay, so hair is all good and stretched now, and you see what a difference a good stretch with a blow dryer can do. Like, that's why I always do it, because it always brings my hair back to life. So yeah, I really liked how this turned out. I would definitely use these products again, because I think they're good in comparison to what I usually use. I think the gel, I was a little worried that the gel wasn't gonna like have that much hold. I can't find it right now, but I don't know why I was worried. I guess because it's just like, it's loose but thick at the same time. I don't know, it's kind of hard to describe, but you saw it. Like, it's kind of got like almost like a real honey consistency, which I don't know, it's just not, I don't know, it's just hard to describe. But like I said, y'all saw it, but I was a little worried that it just wasn't gonna give me the hold that I was looking for, but it definitely did. As you can see, my curls are defined. They look really, really, really good. So I would definitely use these products again. I definitely recommend them. I think I might add this to my favorite wash and go. Like, if I like run out of like my Lotta Body or my extreme wetline gel, I'll be like, okay. Or if I just want to, you know, a little switch up, this will definitely be a good switch up. Like, whatever I grab first out of those two, it won't matter to me, because I know they both work really good. So yeah, let me know what you think of the results. Let me know if you've used these products, and if you haven't, would you use them now that you've seen my video? Let me know in the comments. So that's the end of this video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.